All right. So we have added a diagnostic IMO procedure module to the diagnostics tab. Okay, so you're able to search for any particular, specific or particular diagnostic study that you want to order. And we'll go ahead and get started today as to how you would go about doing that, and pretty much where you would start from to the end of that workflow. Okay, so initially you'll need to start by adding your assessment. Okay, you will also need to make sure that you add the assessment before ordering that diagnostic. Okay, so one of the few ways you can add your assessments is you can click on assessments in the assessment and plan panel. Okay, click on the Problem IT Plus button to search for your desired assessment. Okay, once you have found your assessment, then you have to click the plus sign and then add it to today's assessment. Okay. Another way you can access the assessments is through My Plan here, as I outlined in yellow. So you can click there and it'll take you to this template here for your assessment. Okay. And then from there on, you can just go ahead and add your assessment as appropriate. Okay. So after you add in your assessment, you'll then want to go over to the right and click on the Diagnostics tab. Okay. Once you have done that, your diagnostic will be highlighted for you automatically with the enhancement from the next-gen upgrade. Okay, so you will no longer have to highlight your diagnostic assessment. Sorry, your assessment. It'll automatically highlight it for you, and that was one of the enhancements that came with the upgrade. All right. So once the assessment has been highlighted, you'll then want to find the Procedure IT Plus blue button here. Okay. Once you find that button, you'll want to click on that button. Once you click on that button, it'll open up this module for you where you can search for pretty much any type of diagnostic study that you want to order. Okay. And then you want to click search. All right. After you click search, you'll pretty much get a huge list of diagnostic studies that you can choose from. Once you have found that diagnostic study that you want to order, go ahead and click the plus sign. Once you click the plus sign, it'll ask if you want a task to anyone. Okay. So if you're a provider, you can just simply exit out of that. Or if you're a resident or student, you'll want to task your supervising attending or provider. Okay, by you can search for them. Once their name appears here, you will click add. It'll add it to the task recipients and then click OK. All right. Again, like I said, if you're a provider, all you have to do is just cancel or exit out once this template pops up for you. All right. Then once you exit out of here or you send that task, you'll want to click on place order here. Okay. So if you don't click on place order, it's not going to order that diagnostic study for you. All right. So you always want to make sure that you click on place order to make sure that you order that diagnostic study. So once you have finished ordering that diagnostic study and you clicked on place order, you'll then get a little status indicator here that it says ordered and then the type of diagnostic study that you ordered. Okay. Once you see that, you can go ahead and just click on save and close. The last step is to now go to the checkout tab here. Under today's orders, you'll want to find the diagnostics that you just ordered. Okay. Once you find that, click on diagnostics and then you'll want to highlight the order that you placed, and then click on requisition. Okay, and this will generate that document for the coordinators to process.
Let's have them call you after.
All right, and that's pretty much how you order the diagnostic study from the new IMO procedure module. Okay. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out to us via email or at our extensions at our different sites that we are providing coverage at. Okay. Once again, thanks for